Hi everyone, welcome to a Gyro Tech. And in this video, we'll be looking at the mail merge in October November 2018 paper 2. It's just one variant, and we'll be looking at the mail merge. And we have done all this evidence document. So you might want to check the videos on my channel or in the Google Classroom, as the case may be. Okay, so we move to mail merge. Yeah, it is. Now, task 4, mail merge letters. You are required to carry out a mail merge to send invitation letters for the Tawara mining open day. Okay, create a mail merge letter using the file n2118 invite.rtf. So I'm just going to do a quick pause, and I'm just going to find out where this source folder are. Okay, so I've located where it is. So I'm just going to go there now. So I have invite, yes, N218 invite. So I'm just going to open it. Enable editing. So we have this here. Okay. Um, let's go back to the question. Create a mail merge using the file RTF as the master document and the N2118 data.csv as the source, as the data source. Okay. In the master letter, you know what? Let's give a quick spin on the N218 data. Okay, let's do a quick spin on it. Okay, let's open it and see what we're expected to do here. So here there is a title, there is a first name, there's a last name, there's an add one, there's a town, there's a postcode, there's a town here, there's a bonus, I think. Okay, so we have an idea what we're expecting. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. Nope, don't save it. Now they said in the master letter, replace the date field to display today's date in the format DD, triple M, and 2Y. Okay, so we're just going to do that. Okay, so in the section we'll have the dates. Now we are now in main merge, and please I will advise you whenever you are alighting to replace a field, try as much as possible to use your arrow keys. Very important. The reason why we're using the arrow keys is to ensure that we don't we're just alighting only those values, and we are not adding spaces to it, because we want to ensure that the spaces are adequately given to each of those fields. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm going to hold my shift and my arrow right. Okay, shift and arrow right. Okay, this is good. And I will click on the insert tab and go to explore quick paths. Click on field. I'm going to search for dates, and I'm going to look for the format that has what to DDMMYY. Definitely this is what we're looking for. So I'm just going to add this. Okay, so these have been added. Now they said take screenshot showing the date field code. Place this screenshot into your evidence document, and that's evidence 10. I don't know if I saved those screenshots. I'm just going to open it. Oh, I did. Okay. Yeah, I did. So okay, that's fine. So it's opened. So evidence 10. So we have to place showing the date field code. So we're just going to do that. So now I told you something about it when I did a video on it in 2018 February March on how that can be shown, and I explained how to go about it. So I'm just going to go direct to it. You might want to watch the video on the February March 2018 paper 2 series on the mail merge. Okay, Now you click on the File tab and click on More, click on Option, click on Advanced, and then you drag to display. Display, no, that should be um, show document content. Yes, show document content, and we're going to show feed code instead of their value, and we're going to click on OK, and then we have this. Now we are going to take a screenshot of this. Okay, a screenshot of this. So we have to take a screenshot showing the date field, please. Okay, so we're doing that. So I'm just going to go to my sniping tool. Okay, and I'm going to evidence 10, and I'll paste it here. Okay. All right. So we have this here. So we move on to the next one. Um, in the master letter, maintain the existing spacing and punctuation, and replace the chevron and text each time they appear with the following merge field from the data source. So we're going to replace data to replace, and it's going to be placed with this field. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is on our mail merge, we're going to go to mailings, and we're going to do step by step mail merge. We're going to go to next. We're going to select the recipients. We're going to go to browse, and we're just going to locate where it is. I'm just going to pause, and then we'll look for it. Okay, so we have this here, and we're going to open. Okay, so we have it here. We're just going to click on okay. Oh boy, I opened it on the evidence document. What am I doing? Um, I should go to file. Okay, I'm going to go to file to more and change it back. Show document. Okay, then I'm going to go to the mailings here. Sorry, step by step. Selecting, browsing. We're gonna have it here. Um, okay, now we have it here, and now for title, we replace it with title. I just have to be careful. And insert field title for first name and last name. Add one, and we'll replace it with add one. Add to, replace it with town. Add 3, replace it with county. Post, postcode. Dear first, it's going to be first name. For start, status. For born, we're having bonus. For we have reward. Just want to check if there are any details that we are going to replace that we haven't replaced. I think that's that. The next one is replace the test candidate's name with your name. Okay, so my name, going to use agile ND. Include your name, center number, candidate number in the header of the document. On the header, insert tab, click on the header. By now, we should know how to do this. If you're following on my videos, you should be a pro in adding your name, the center number, and that. Okay. So basically, I'm using the 3 columns, which makes it easier to add my name, the school center number, which is where I'm currently working, Edward College, right here in Lagos, Lekki Phase 1, and of course, my candidate number. I don't have, so I'm using 2022. Okay. Um, Save the master later. So we're going to save it. Saving it as a Word. Now we're going to reflect the image so that the ingot image looks like this. Okay, so let's see how we're going to rotate or reflect that image. So I'm going to click on the picture format. I'm going to rotate it. Okay, so flip horizontal gets me what I'm looking for. That's fine with me. We are to save and print the master later with the merge field display. Okay, so we're going to save and print the master later with the merge field display. So the merge fields are going to be displayed. Okay, so we're going to save and print the master letter with the merge field display. Don't forget that the merge fields are these fields here with the field displays. And so we're just going to do that. Sometimes they can tell you to do that, so you just have to have it in mind. So we're going to print it. So click on File, go to Print. This has been displayed. Don't forget you have the set to ensure that your name, center number, and candidate number are on your master letter. So we have it there. So we're just going to print this to PDF, which I've always advised students to do. It makes it easier to get your work in one place and then you can send it to the printer. So we're using a printout 4 for this. Yes, printout 4. Okay. All right. Set an automated filter to select only those members with the status elite. Okay, so automated filter to select only those members with the status elite. So we're going to do that. On the mailings here, we're going to go to edit recipient list. We're going to go to filter and we select with the status of elite. So the field is going to be status. We're going to type it here, elite, the way it is, and we have it here. And then we can click on OK. The next one is place your evidence documents a screenshot to show the automated filter. So we're going to take a screenshot of that. So I'll just go to my edit recipient list, filter, and they want to see this. Okay, just going to okay. So I'm just going to take a snip at it. And this is going to be in evidence 11. Just going to close this. Evidence 11. Normally all they want to see is this, but it's not out of place to also do this. Just going to okay, fine. Okay. Okay. So we have this here. Merge and print the letters for the selected members only. So we're going to merge and print the letters for the selected members only. Save and close the file. So we're going to do that. You know what? We can just do a preview. So we'll see how it is. We have 2, 3, just 3 of them. So that's that. Print the document. We're printing all of them. So we have to make sure that you have entered your name, center number, candidate number on your latest. So and this will be printout 5. Just 7 marks, guys. 7 marks. Save and close the file. Um, so we are done. Click on save, and then we can close this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos.